I think you actually wrote an article on pop-ups that was really excellent about how it's not just like it just happens in a day. There's actually a lot of time before and after the pop-up. And I remember reading that article and thinking, that's right. People assume that it just happens overnight and it's easy to, right? But to optimize a pop-up, which is usually anywhere from like 1 day to a month to 3 months to even up to a year, I think the biggest thing that we do, and we do a monthly pop up every month, we have this flea market that we produce in Los Angeles where we gather Asian artisans. So they make jewelry, ceramics, flowers, art, you name it, we have it. And they show up to our pop ups every month. It's always going to come down to the community and the demand. So, yeah.
Well, people might think about it from the sense of like, oh, well, I'm going to be there, or it's like it's all about me, and it's kind
Yeah,
of
yeah,
like
yeah.
that's already baked
Regardless,
in.
yeah.
Like that's assumed. That's assumed that you're going to be there. So it's like, what else is there going to be? That's so funny.
I agree with you, man. It's not about the individual, like you said. And I mean, if people are thinking that way, they gotta check themselves. They gotta check the
That's
ego at the
right.
door.